a day after an order was actually published widely and reported on widely on how the Delhi High Court apparently asked for the setting up of a facility, the Primus Hospital in Chanakyapuri in Delhi, to look after members of the High Court in case they contracted COVID, and 100 beds at the 5-star Ashoka Hospital to be at the disposal of the Delhi High Court and its judges and members of their family. There's been a clarification with the High Court now stating that they'd made no such request. My colleague Sukirti Dwivedi joins us for more on this. Sukirti, what exactly has the High Court clarified, and where did that order then come from?
Well, yes, Vishnu, there was a request by the Delhi High Court earlier based on which we did see a document coming out from the Delhi government's end. That document said that 100 rooms in the Ashoka Hotel are going to be reserved for Delhi High Court judges as well as judicial officials as well as their families. That is the order that came out in the public domain. It was signed by an SDM. And that SDM happens to be a Delhi government official. Now the Delhi High Court today took suo motu cognizance of this entire coverage of this matter, and today they said that no, we made a very different kind of request. This entire matter has been twisted the way the Delhi government passed their order. The language they used in their order, that is wrong. It gives out the wrong perception. Can you even imagine that we could have ever asked for a special facility at a time when people are unable to get hospital beds? So today the judges of the High Court, they said that what we had actually pointed out to the Delhi government was that we were concerned about officials of the judiciary. We have already lost 2 judicial officials. All that we wanted was, in case hospitalization is needed for any judge or judiciary officer or their family members, then hospitalization takes place. So there's a big if here as per the Delhi High Court. If a hospitalization is needed, then a hospital bed can be ensured for these people who work inside the Delhi High Court. That is what the judge says that he wanted. Mr. Justice Singhi had asked for it. So that's what the Delhi High Court had asked for. Now they are saying that we never asked you to set up a special facility at a luxury hotel. Currently we know that you do not have staff, you do not have ventilators, you do not have medicines. So it is impossible that we could have said a thing like that. So this is all sending out the wrong perception that you were trying to please us. It sends out different notions about what the Delhi High Court judges want at this point of time. We were genuinely concerned about whether one of our officials would be able to get a hospital bed or not, considering the situation is so bad. 2 officials have already lost their life, and in that situation, if somebody needs a hospital bed, then that should be ensured for them. We never said that we want a bed in a luxury hotel or never named the Ashoka Hotel. So none of those demands came out from our side. So please quash this order that was passed from your end. But yes, the truth remains that at least the Delhi High Court judges want this much, that if any of the officials of the judiciary, they fall ill of COVID and they need a hospital bed, then at least that should be ensured by the government.
All right, Sukirti, we leave it there. Thanks for joining us.